World's first ChatGPT-powered app creates monetized blogs with exclusive Google-friendly content and AI graphics in just 2 minutes. The world's first ChatGPT-powered app. Create monetized blogs with exclusive Google-friendly content and AI graphics. Effortlessly rank on Google and enjoy massive organic traffic and profit. Say goodbye to expensive content writers and designers today. Click play, see how AutoBlogGPT AI works. Get AutoBlogGPT, now $save $180. $197 monthly. Just $16.90 once and use forever. ChatGPT and OpenAI Drive app. Build your blog and generate unique Google-friendly. Rank on Google and enjoy massive organic traffic and profit. Bring your imagination to life by creating stunning AI images with only a few keywords. Simply type the keyword you desire to create striking blogs. Write high-quality SEO content that is plagiarism-free and boosts your website's rankings. Automate and revolutionize your repetitive routine tasks with AI. The possibilities with AutoBlogGPT are limitless, including translating languages. With a commercial license, generate and sell as many assets as you wish to clients. The user-friendly dashboard is perfect for beginners. No hidden fees or additional expenses. Get started in seconds without needing to download, install, or customize anything. The ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee ensures customer satisfaction. Unfortunately, 99.99% of people don't know how to capitalize on AI technology. Hurry! The prices rise in. We love to keep things lazy and easy. By producing excellent content, utilizing stunning AI visuals, and more, you can create a profitable blog for long-term scaling. Create a professional blog with unique content to grow your audience on autopilot. Generate high-quality content and AI graphics by typing your desired keywords and specifications. Revolutionize your sales and profits like never before with AutoBlogGPT. Check out the results and real proof below. Are you the only one missing out on the benefits of the online earning craze? This year is flying by quickly. 2023. Have you been satisfied with your online earnings during this time? Does 2023 look like it will be another wasteful year in terms of making money online? Do you feel like it won't be any different from the previous years? Do any of these situations apply to you? Frustrated with your lack of progress? Feeling embarrassed or ashamed about your lack of success? Constantly buying products or services but not seeing results? Are you struggling to break through the barriers to success? If any of the above situations sound familiar, pay attention. I understand how difficult and demoralizing it can be to try to make money online. Struggling to succeed online can undermine your self-confidence and self-esteem. If I'm not mistaken, you are still encountering challenges in this area. You're missing out on the incredible power of ChatGPT in your business and leaving a lot of money on the table. ChatGPT on charge. If you're not using it in your business, you're letting a huge opportunity slip away. And you'll regret not taking advantage of it when you had the chance. The truth is, we're on the brink of a revolutionary AI shift that's redefining human intelligence and boosting sales and business like never before. This cutting-edge AI generates content, code, copy, and more 10 times faster, meets all your marketing needs, and provides human-like, clear answers to your questions and much more. This business model is giving Google a run for its money. And I'm willing to bet it's not in your marketing arsenal yet. Looking for a fresh and innovative approach to business and sales? Enter the world of ChatGPT. Say goodbye to expensive content writers and designers today. AI revolution that's redefining human-AI interaction and transforming the way we do business. Get ready to be blown away as ChatGPT takes the internet by storm, with its remarkable ability to understand and respond to human language, changing the game for everyone. Lightning-fast content generation. No more waiting for slow and outdated tools. With ChatGPT, you'll have access to lightning-fast content generation, stunning AI graphics, all delivered with human-like precision. From customer service to marketing, ChatGPT is revolutionizing industries and providing a must-have solution for anyone looking to streamline their processes and take their efficiency to the next level. So get excited, because the internet is about to become a much more exciting place with ChatGPT leading the way. Built-in AI. OpenAI Image Generator. Advantages of AI images. AI can generate images that are tailored to specific needs or preferences, such as generating images of specific objects or scenes. AI can automate the image generation process, which can save time and resources compared to manual image creation. AI can generate highly realistic images that are difficult to distinguish from real-world images, which can be useful for applications such as film and advertising. AI can generate a wide variety of images, including novel or unique images, which can be useful for applications such as art and design. Introducing the world's first Autoblog with OpenAI. Powered with OpenAI technology. The world's first AutoBlogGPT. The world's first cloud-based AutoBlogGPT builder allows users to access it anytime, anywhere, making it a unique and innovative product. Passes AI content detection. AutoBlogGPT creates high-quality content that easily passes any AI content detection tool as it is comparable to 100% human-generated content. Google's first page. High-quality content generated by AutoBlogGPT makes ranking on Google's first page for profitable keywords easy, attracting more organic traffic. Free organic traffic. The potential for a large amount of free organic traffic that can be generated by having top-ranked keywords on Google. The free traffic generated by AutoBlogGPT can lead to repeat profits. Hosting and domain branding. The product's cloud offers all-in-one features, including hosting, domain branding, and built-in traffic generation for social media engagement. Fast and efficient performance. The product is capable of generating content and creating AI graphics in just 2 minutes, highlighting its fast and efficient performance compared to traditional manual content creation. AutoBlogGPT includes commercial rights, allowing users to utilize the product for commercial purposes. Affiliate offer banners. AutoBlogGPT Builder provides a ready-to-use blog with embedded affiliate offer banners that can generate constant clicks and traffic. Right now, you have an early bird discount. This feature highlights the current discount offer that is available for the product. Get AutoBlogGPT at a low one-time price. $197 monthly, just $16.90 once and use forever. Get instant access now.